Top 5 Healthiest Vietnamese Food. Healthy Vietnamese food is everywhere, whether you're tucking into a bowl of pho, noodle soup, in Ho Chi Minh City or picking up a banh mi, filled baguette, available pretty much anywhere in the world. Recipes are almost always prepared with fresh ingredients and most meals come with a huge side plate of vegetables and herbs. In this video, dishes from Vietnam that are not only healthy but also extremely yummy. 1. Goi cuon, fresh spring rolls. Packed full of veggies and herbs, goi cuon are a delicious and healthy choice for an appetizer. Salad leaves, greens, vermicelli noodles and shrimp are wrapped in rice paper and come with a fish or peanut sauce for dipping. The fish sauce is light and thin and goes best with this meal. Peanut sauce is made of peanut paste and coconut oil. Fresh spring rolls contain little oil and have almost zero fat, but they're really tasty. Try not to mistake char jo or nem ran, deep-fried rolls, for fresh spring rolls, as those are cooked in oil. 2. Goi tom, shrimp salad. There are generally few calories in Vietnamese food, but goi tom is lighter than most. Essentially it's the unwrapped version of goi cuon, fresh spring rolls. The shrimp salad is packed with an array of vegetables such as cabbage, cucumber, daikon and jalapeno peppers for a bit of heat. It is often ordered as a side and goes well with a bowl of sticky rice. 3. Pho, noodle soup. A clear broth containing meat, noodles and herbs, pho, noodle soup, is the ideal dish for first thing in the morning, or at any time of the day. It is filling, full of fiber, antioxidants, minerals and vitamins and usually low in calories. You can always reduce the calories further by asking the waiter to add less meat. 4. Chao gar, Vietnamese congee. In many Asian countries, this dish is fed to those who are sick as it is easy to eat and digest. The dish is made by cooking rice in water for a long time which, when absorbed, becomes a thick soup. Additional ingredients can be added, such as mushrooms, beans, peas, or even traditional medicinal herbs. Adding meat, such as shredded chicken, can add to the flavor. 5. Gao Luc, brown rice. High in magnesium and nutrients, brown rice is a healthy staple of Vietnamese food. It is often steamed and served with salad, stews, or mixed with peas and beans. You can find it in most grocery stores, vegetarian restaurants or Vietnamese restaurants.